Hey guys, we're back from Sea Hugs of seahugsseamoss.com. This is just a quick video here to show you what the elderberry infused sea moss gel is supposed to look like after it sat in the refrigerator for about 12 to 14 hours. If you've seen our previous video, you've seen that we've already soaked the sea moss and let it sit overnight for 12 hours. And you've already seen that we've blended the sea moss in with the water and we let it sit in the refrigerator for about 12 hours. So here is the finished product. And it looks like a gel, it's jelly. You see how that's almost adhering to the spoon? Okay, and it has about 3 teaspoons of elderberry syrup in it. Okay, so that's why it has the light purple color to it, almost like a purple mauve. Okay, so this is what it's supposed to look like. And guys, if you find yourself getting headaches after incorporating sea moss to your diet, it could be simply because you're taking too much, because sea moss is high in iodine. And if you consume too much within too short of a period of time, you'll get iodine toxicity, and that will cause you to have headaches. Okay, so the recommended serving size, as we stated before in our last video, is literally 1 tablespoon. Okay, 1 tablespoon a day. And if that's too much, if that happens to be too much whereby it's giving you a headache, just skip a day if you have to. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and follow us on Instagram at seahugsseamoss. And we will see you soon.